First, go to your PDF file and right-click on it. Then choose Open With and select Google Chrome. Your PDF file will now open in the browser just like this. Next, click on the print icon at the top right corner of the window. In the print window that appears, make sure the destination is set to Save as PDF. If it's set to a printer, change it to Save as PDF. Now, under Pages, choose Custom. Here, type the pages you want to keep in the new file. For example, I'll type 4, 5, separated by a comma, so only pages 4 and 5 will remain. After that, click on Save. Select the folder where you want to save the new PDF, give it a name, and click Save again. And that's it. Let's open the new file. As you can see, it now contains only the pages we selected, and all the other pages have been removed successfully.